Okay, this is part 2 of our 4BT build, and then a special treat for you guys. Rather than me just assembling the engine, we're heading over to Northtown Machine, and he made videos of the entire machining process of what's involved in refreshening a head. All right, super exciting stuff. Before we get into the cylinder head rebuild at Northtown Machine, just wanted to give you guys a quick update of where we're at with the YouTube channel. Things are growing and things are happening, and we're trying to organize and manage it as best as we possibly can. We've hired 2 editors to be able to keep up with all the videos that we're making out. There's a short backlog, but more importantly, there's some videos that we don't really know where they fit in the channel. So we started another channel, DGHD. The Boss Garage Heavy Duty is going to have everything to do with repairs and reviews off-road. The Boss Garage is going to keep making videos as much as we possibly can on all our projects and anything on-road. But if you need your agricultural fix and your off-road diesels and whatever else, definitely head over to DGHD and subscribe there. It'd be super cool if we can get that to 100,000 right away. The reason we're doing this is to kind of streamline your expectations of what you're expecting to see. Super excited about that. Kevin is going to be moving his toolbox into my shop. He's not going to work for me, but he's going to fix all of his own equipment here. He still works for other customers as well. We'll be making videos on all of that stuff. We'll be getting into the fields and doing some heavy equipment reviews on excavators, stuff like that, which is actually my background. I just really enjoy the on-road stuff as well. So head over to DGHD right now. We got a brand new video up there. Subscribe, then finish watching this video, or do both at the same time. You've got tabs at the top. You can open multiple videos and click multiple subscribe buttons and likes, and then we'll talk about the rest of the build after we get back from Northtown. Here we go. Okay, so we got our cylinder head back from Northtown Machine. Scott went over the whole head, and even though the engine was rebuilt before, I'm so glad we sent the head out because for some reason the Cummins do have an issue with the valve seats cracking. So before we always sent their heads away to Scott. He's been doing my work for a long time. Generally when I take a head off on an engine that I want to stand behind, I send the head out just to get decked, make sure that it's nice and flat, make sure that the valves are in good shape. Sucks doing all this work and then still having oiling issues or smoke because the valve guides are worn or whatever. So this is how you would get it back. Would you just look at that? Ah! Look at that. So nice, smooth. We'll just wipe that down and we can pop it on. Here we go. All right, so that was part 2 of our 3-part series on the 4BT. Next one has me bolting the head on and assembling the bottom end and then dropping it off at the customer. Scott has made a pile of videos with us where the next one will be an in-depth build of the Audi engine, where we got all the little tricks and tips on a builder that he was told to never share with anybody, but you guys will get first taste of that. Not just time lapse, we're talking about it and taking a tour of his shop. He's got the 3126 there right now and a whole pile of good stuff. We're gonna expand the channel into stuff that we've never done before. Kevin is joining us for some more heavy equipment stuff. So check out DeBoss Garage HD. We've got some videos going up there. Super cool stuff. Remember guys, get out there, build it, fix it, get some dirt under the fingernails, and build it and drive it and enjoy it. Stay safe guys, and remember, if you're not filthy, you're not rich. Here we go.